Had to share with you guys, I finally got picked to be a tester with Super Savvy Me, and this arrived today. Check out this box. Let's have a look what's in there. Sensitive Skin Dream Team. Let's have a look. Oh wow, oh, there's loads in here. So we have a booklet. I'll have a look at that in a little while. We have pod, Fairy Non-Bio Pod, Fairy Fabric Softener. These are samples, I think. Oh, check this out. Wow, a full box of Fairy Non-Bio Pods for sensitive skin. Wow, how cool is that? That is so generous of Super Savvy Me. What else do we have? Oh, beauty. A big bottle of Fairy Fabric Softener. Oh, I'm so going to have to go and wash my bedding now. Check out Super Savvy Me online.